How to copy and paste on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can copy and paste on your WhatsApp on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So if you want to copy and paste on your WhatsApp, it's really simple. Open up your WhatsApp first. After you do that, head over to any chat where you want to copy the text of. So let me just search for any text or link or any DM and long press on it. After you long press on that very text, you can always find the copy option. So tap on the copy option. You can find this message copied pop up as well. And now you can head over to somewhere else if you'd like and paste it there. Long press on the text area, you'll find the paste button, tap on paste, and there you have it. Tap on send and you're good to go. And that's how you copy and paste in WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's really simple. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.